Making a connection is a powerful thing, and at Vermeer, we're doing our part to help you make strong connections. While internet usage is growing around the world, having a strong connection is more important than ever before. To build a strong connection, you need reliable and tough equipment that's built to last. No matter where the work is done, crews around the world are essential to create reliable connections. So here's to the folks who work the late nights and early mornings, braving tough conditions to keep communities connected, equipping you to connect families, businesses, and communities, to create more opportunities, experiences, and memories. For more information on equipment that can help support you while building reliable connections, reach out to your local Vermeer dealer.